Yes.
From now on, I introduce about my object. My object is to save up money and reach because I'm going to become the planet tour guide. And I'm filial pilot parent. So there are two ways to become rich. One, save up money for the future. If I have money, I go to banks immediately. And I have saved up 200,000 won every month to go planet tour. 2. Buy a lottery ticket. Many people buy lottery ticket dreaming of turning their lives around. But my decision is save money because I found no account in buying lottery ticket. And the others of winning in the lottery tickets are extremely low. No fine work can be done without toil. Success is the fruit of one's effort. We can save money in many different ways. Part-time job, pay money, pay more. So I will save some money. If the goal is reached, first go to planet tour with my family. And I'm gonna donate the money to a charity. So my result, I should have been a wise rich. Thank you for listening.